where we use the distributive property. Okay. So students, 4x plus 5 into 2x plus 3. This is the multiplication that we are expecting to perform here. So first of all, 4x, I am going to write 4x, only this 4x will be multiplied with this whole of 2x plus 3. Okay, then I am going to write plus 5 and again this whole 2x plus 3 is going to get multiplied. Okay, this 4x getting multiplied with the whole of this 2, again plus 5 is going to get multiplied with the whole of the 2. Okay, now as we know the multiplication, 4x into 2x plus 4x into 3 plus 5 into 2x plus 5 into 3. Okay, so 4 to the 8x square plus 4 3 the 12x plus 5 to the 10x plus 5 3 the 15. Yes. So students, this 12x and 10x are like terms and to be added. So students, I am going to write 8x square plus 10 plus 12. This gives you 22x plus 15. So this is your product and you could call it as an answer. Okay. So this is the solution for question number 1, exercise 7D. Now students, I am going to pick another question, and that question I am taking is question number 4. Okay, because all questions are pretty similar, so we can solve like that. So question number 4 is nothing exceptional, but I like to perform in the another method, which is column method. So should I erase this one? Okay. Now question number 4. Question number 4 is 3p minus 4q into 2p minus 3q. Students, we can solve this question as well according to the horizontal method using the distributive property. But this time I like to show you and going to solve you this question in column method in particularly. So how column method is used, I have shown one another time in addition, I guess, or subtraction. So 3p minus 4q, I am going to write 3p minus 4q into, so into sign, then 2p minus 3q. Both these two are binomial, correct? Yes. How can we multiply? We can multiply, first of all, 3p minus 4q will be multiplied with minus 3q. Okay students, which one? This one. This one. So this will be multiplied one by one. So I am going to multiply first of all with 3q. So minus plus 4 3 ja 12, q into q square. Okay. Now I have done the multiplication with minus 4q of minus 3q. Now again I am going to multiply 3 3 is 9, 3 3 is 9. So 9p into q. What will be the sign? Here minus, here plus. So minus plus gives you minus. Okay. Now after doing the multiplication with 3q, I am going to multiply 3p minus 4q with 2p. So the way we do in arithmetic, I am going to give the cross here. So minus, there is no sign, that means plus. So minus plus minus 4 to the 8 pq. Okay. Here plus 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 sign, That means 3 to the 6 p into p square. If plus sign is there, it does not, okay, necessary. It is not necessary to write. So plus 12q square minus minus plus, that means it will get added. So 9 and 8, 17 pq. And which one is greater? 9. So minus sign, because the sign of greater term is taken. 6p square. So this is, students, another method to find out the product. And this method is known as column method. Okay. Moving on to question number 6. I hope you have understood this one. Alright. So whichever method you have understood in better possible way, you can go along with that. Now, question number 6. 3 by 4x, minus 2 by 3y into 4x plus 3y. So, if I feel comfortable in doing the horizontal method, I will go along with that. So 3 by 4x, okay, will be multiplied with 4x minus 3y. I am choosing horizontal method here. 3 by 4x, this 3 by 4x is getting multiplied with the whole of 4x plus 3y. Okay, now I will multiply minus 2 by 3y into 4x plus 3y. Let's do the multiplication. So here 3x by 4 into 4x plus 3x by 4 into 3y minus 2y by 3 into 4x minus plus minus 2y by 3 into 3y. Okay, this minus plus gives minus here. Okay, so whichever number can cancel it. So 3x square, and I'm getting as a leftover plus 3 3 is 9xy by 4 minus, there's no possibilities of cancellation, so 2 4 is 8xy by 3, okay, then minus 3 3 cancel, so this gives you 2y square. Now students, this 9xy and 8xy, both these are like terms, so here we will do the mathematical operation. So plus minus minus, okay, let's see how can we do. So 3x square minus 2y square I am going to write, and the LCM will be taken between these two. So plus 4 3 LCM will be 12, 4 3 is 12, so 3 9 3 is 27 xy minus 3 4 is 4 times, so 4 8 is 32 xy. Did you understand? 4 3 is LCM 12. So 4 3 is 3 times, so 9 3 is 27 xy minus, so minus sign given, 3 4 is 4 as a quotient, 4 will be multiplied with 8, 4 is 32 xy. So students, I am going to write 3x square minus 2y square, here plus minus minus, that means 27 xy minus 32 xy, that means this will give you 32 minus 27, 5 xy. Sign will be of greater, so minus 5 xy by 12. So this is your product and answer of question number 6. Okay. Now, hope you have understood this one as well. Now, I am going to show you the solution for question number 9. Yes, let's see. Question number 9. Question number 9. X to the power 5 minus y to the power 5 into x square plus y square. So how can we multiply? X to the power 5 will be multiplied with x square plus y square. Then minus y to the power 5 will be multiplied with x square plus y square. So here x to the power 5 into x to the power 2 plus x to the power 5 into y to the power 2 minus y to the power 5 into x to the power 2 minus plus minus y to the power 5 into y to the power 2. So students, in exponent we learned that the same base exponents get added. So x to the power 5 plus 2 gives you 7 plus x to the power 5 y square minus y to the power 5 x square. These two are unlike terms. Okay, don't consider that this is the like term because x is having power of 5 and here y is having power of 5. So this is where a great difference. So minus y to the power 5 plus 2 gives you 7. So this is your product. Okay, clear? Alright. Now, so this is the way to multiply. Now I am going to show you the question number 12 solution. See, here trinomial and binomial question x square minus xy plus y square into x plus y. Okay, how could we multiply? X will be multiplied with whole x square minus xy plus y square, distributive property. Then plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. Again I am going to multiply x into x square minus x into xy plus x into y square plus y into x square minus y into xy plus y into y square. So x into x square gives you x cube minus x square y plus x y square plus this should be written x square y because both these things are same. Y x square or x square y. Okay, both these two things are same. Minus here x y into y square plus y cube. So if there is any chances of cancellation, you can do plus xy square here minus y x y square, so you can cancel. Okay, minus x square y plus x square y, this can get cancelled. So what are the remainings? X cube plus y cube. So this is your product. Alright, simple multiplication is to be solved very effectively and easily. Alright.